Prime Minister James Marape has warned a change of the Provincial Health Authority management if the PHAs don't submit their COVID-19 reports and hospital plans to the government by next week.
I've asked our Provincial Health Authorities to send in their reports and send in their plans. Today, as I speak, I've only received from Eastern Highlands and Western Highlands. Now, there's a call to all Provincial Health Authorities. Get your report coming in. I've already directed the Health Secretary. If some of you do not send your plan in by next week, we are looking seriously into ensuring that you respond. And if you don't respond, well, please, we may as well replace you. This is no light moments. Our country is in red zone in as far as COVID-19 is concerned. There's a call placed to all our provincial health authorities right throughout our country to send in your plan. Our government stands ready to demobilize resources to support your provincial plans in your response to fight COVID-19 by immediate care, medium-term care, as well as a long-term plan.
The Prime Minister, through a virtual media conference this afternoon, says based on the reports, they will help the hospital depending on its needs.
For me as a government, we want to ensure vaccine is available on the shelf, but going forward, we're working with our provincial health authorities to ensure we build up capacities in our provinces. And I give commitment to our country going forward this year. And next year, we will be expanding bed spaces, ensuring that the beds we build in our country has oxygen attached to it. And the clinical care aspect will be looked at by our government as never done before to ensure that those who are sick, we are able to attend to in as far as medical care is concerned, and this is something that we're trying to do. I've already asked our finance and planning and treasury team to sit with health department to ensure we unlock resources to support provincial health authorities to ensure the actual healthcare system is built up to handle a possible blowout of COVID-19 into the future.
An urgent meeting will be held this Sunday with all stakeholders to see how they can chart the way forward in combating this health crisis.
I'm calling a combined NCC, defense, police, treasury team, finance team together to look into how we could unbundle resources to support the health sector in a big way going forward. And from that meeting on Sunday, it may mean that we may ask for the nation to step up in as far as the isolation strategy is concerned.
The Prime Minister, while he respects individuals' decisions to not get the vaccine, he is calling on Papua New Guineans to be responsible, stay home if you have to, and get the vaccines to minimize the deadly risk of COVID-19.
I want to encourage our citizens. Safety of yourself, safety of your family, safety of your community, and safety of our country is totally dependent on our attitude, on our response to ourselves, to our family, to our community, to our country. And it is important at this time, we must all know that the Delta strain of COVID-19 is now amidst us and is spreading. And so community must be able to promote nucleopacin, stay safe away from crowd, stay safe in your own home setting, go to work and follow the nucleopacin and work protocols that is expected of each and every one of us to ensure our country remains in defense to the spread of COVID-19. And please, I encourage once again, vaccine is available. Assist your natural immunity with the added boost by taking one of the 3 vaccines that we've allowed for.
Meanwhile, the Prime Minister said the country should expect some new COVID-19 measures next week aimed at limiting the movement of people. Shamin Poriambe, National EMTV News.